Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here with the daily candle, it's given us here. It's given us here a nice bullish pattern, but should you enter, guys? Not yet, guys. And I'm going to explain to you why in that video. So look with me. The volume down is not that big. Why? Because China market or China as a country, they got holidays over there. And as majority of you know, China is #1 volume in the cryptocurrency world. So there is no volume, guys. And today, the day we finish, the one that candle here, the candle of Monday, guys. And what me I told you Monday doing what against what is going to do the next of the week, guys. Because what happened today, Britain and the euro, they go back against US dollar, but that one is just for small time or short term, not for long term, guys. I think everything is too clear here. And what we said before us, we said we got here that small trend line here, and now it's showing here a rejection. So till now, even us, we need to be scared and we need to wait in when the opportunity going to come, guys. Till now, there is no opportunity, guys, here. And me, I tell it to you, always if it came and breaking for us here. It's my that one, I tell it to you in the previous videos, is going to go till here, till that zone here, that one. Then after that, there is the drop going to come, guys, because that one is just temporary, not forever. What's going to happen now? I think everything is too clear. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let me show you my chart, what I got me. In my chart, guys, look at it. Very, very clear here what happening today. That candle here, it's breaking for us that level here, as you see it. Now, us what we need, or if us we want to go up, it's need another continuation pattern here. It hasn't come. And us here, as I tell it to you, us here, look where we are. We're still down in that long-term trend. And in the last 2 videos, guys, we show you the weekly candle. We show you the monthly candle. All of them, they showing us we are in a downtrend. So don't be trapped, guys. It might that one just to go till here, till that level here. And after that, it's going to drop or it's going to touch for us the upper of that channel here, as you see it. When it touches here last time, it falls down and even in the top. So you need to make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you, guys. Maybe it's going just to touch it by a tail here. Then after that, it's going to drop. So that is investment, guys. It's not yet. Remember my word. Yes, it gave you here, as I tell it to you in the previous video here, a head and shoulder and all those things. But all that, guys, it doesn't tell you to enter now, as you see it. It gives you here a head and shoulder like that. Then you came, if it's breaking here, you came, you calculate it. It's going to go till here to touch the trend line here. Then after that, there is the drop coming, guys. But till now, also still early, guys. Let me show you the news. Will come in tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the news. And as you see here, that the news will going to come tomorrow. There is nothing special. Let's make it like that. But also we put in for you everyday news. It's going to come that one about the jobs or unemployment, but it's not something special, guys. There is only that one that President Lagarde speech. And today it happens something very important, guys. The UN, it's Warren, the bank or the Fed of USA, they told them you need to stop tightening and increasing interest rate that it's created in the world, uncertainty, and people, they are very scared what's going to happen to them, and we don't want that. But it's met up with the Fed people or Fed members, all of them, they being against the UN, and all of them, they said them they can't stop. And this month or November, they said they are going to increase it by 75%, guys. That's what me I told you. It's not yet, guys. It's still very, 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 very early. And that's what me I been telling you. All the world is it in the hand of the Fed, and the Fed, he doing his madness, he killing us, guys. Everything is getting very expensive. It's only if you are mad or blind, you can put your money in this market, guys. And here, as we said it every time, guys, what we got here, look at it. What our friend here saying, guys, look at it. Here, the US dollar, he falling down, guys. he couldn't stay above that 112. But our friend here, the VIX, what it's saying, guys, also we stay above the 30. And here the US stocks, all of them, they are green that day or that Monday. Remember my word, guys, tomorrow you're going to see a very bad red day. That's how it's working, and that's how the market makers they work. But let's wait, guys, because here, look, the VIX, it's still very dangerous, guys, for you to enter now. It's too much of scariness in the market. And here, those ones that just happened today, Monday, and today, Monday, the opening of the week. So it's going to do like that. Then after that, there is a big crashing going to happen, guys. So make a close eye at it. It's just a trap, guys. Don't be fooled. Don't put your money now. It's just a trap, guys. I show you all those things in the chart, and I'm showing it to you here fundamental. It's still very early, guys. Let's going back now to the chart to show you more, guys. Here we are, guys, in the chart. I tell you all those things thousands of times. By the way, that candle, it happened in front of my eyes thousands of times. And by the way, people, they know me. I'm very old trader in the Forex and stock market. I know that candle very, 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 very well, my friend. I know it very well. Tomorrow, you're going to see a big drop, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it enter here inside that wall here. So let's wait in if either to break for us here, also we are going to enter long. If it's not, it's going to fall down again. Then also we're going to buy from lower here when it's enter at the oversold area. Now also we are in the middle. When we are in the middle, we don't do nothing, guys. We're just looking at the market, what it's doing. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and smash in the like button and writing for us down a comment, helping us, guys. Helping us growing up more that channel. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. I think everything is too clear here. Let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, as we've been here at the oversold area, and we used to have here a divergence. I'll show you all those things before, and all those things, they indicate in the market is going to come a big move. But should we enter now, guys? Not yet. Unless if it came and breaking for us here, guys. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. Remember my word, guys. If it doesn't come here, we're not going to enter. And we're going to confirm for us is going to go higher, guys, when it's going to give us here a W like that. If it give us a W like that, enter with all the money you have, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember, what me I tell you have here. I told you have here a triangle, guys. Yes or no? And I tell you if it's breaking here, enter long. Now it's breaking, guys. Should you enter? Yes, you can enter, and the stop loss, you put it here down. Take profit of you here, guys. Here at that high here. Remember my word, here, guys. But how going to tell us if the market is going to go higher or no? It's 30 minutes, guys. When we go into 30 minutes. And look here what is giving you the market, guys. Look here. At that place here, what it giving you? And here. It give you here like a triangle, guys. And another thing, what it giving you here? Look at that. It give you here a cup and handle, guys. Yes or no? Where is the top of it? The top of it is here. Here it hasn't break it, guys. It needs to break the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. And I've been telling you all those things thousands of times, guys. Look at that. Look here what it's giving you, guys. Now it's breaking, guys, here. We just wait it here. Let's zoom it a little bit. Just need to wait it here. If it's breaking for all that 200 moving average here, we enter long, guys. And even the volume down, guys, what it's telling you, the volume down here, it's telling us the buyers, they are powerful now. They're not that powerful as I tell it to you before. Because Chinese, they got holidays. But let's wait on what's going to happen, guys, in the future. And we see tomorrow. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, it's telling us now we are in the control of the bulls, guys. We move from the bear to the bulls. I think we are going to go higher, guys. Is the right moment here to enter, or the right time here to enter at the 4 hours, guys? By the way, if you enter, put stop loss, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. So if there is an entry, we will enter. If not, we will not, guys. So let's go into see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we are in the middle. There is no entry now, me thinking personally. Me tell it to you, also we enter just from here. The oversold in the middle, we don't enter, guys. But if it's breaking here, the 200 moving average, you can enter, guys. Take profit here at that level here, I think. So now let's go into 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes saying. Because if you see in here, guys, look at it. here. It's breaking for us that level here. So when it's breaking, the take profit, it needs to be here, guys. But you need to make a close eye at that level where you are, guys. The one here. Look at it. You are in a very stronger level. We bring it from here, guys. From that level here. It needs to come here a big candle with big momentum, guys, like how it happened here. If you remember it here, there is nothing now yet to break for us that level. All the candles there, they showing there is no big momentum, guys. So waiting a little bit for tomorrow maybe for the market to break for us that 200 here, and it needs to come here a big candle. And as I tell it to you, today is Monday, guys. That's why I don't advise you to enter now. But it's up to you, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, if you remember what else we tell you here. The last two videos, you can even go back to them. Used to have here a flag. And we tell you when it's breaking here, enter long, guys. Look, tell where you being, guys. Till here. I say it in Saturday and Sunday. 2 days also we've been following, guys, that 30 minutes now. Now, what we need to do, guys, because also now here we are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at it. You saw it or not? Look last time how many times from here it fall down, guys. Now you are in it. Now what we need to do, we need to see our indicator, guys, what it's saying. And here the 200 moving average, it tell you everything, guys. It tell you there is no trend yet. That's what 200 moving average is saying, guys. It's telling you are in a sideways market, guys. Look at it. Look at the market, what it doing. It go up, it couldn't break, then he fall down, he stay here, he couldn't break, then he going up. What is going to do now? The same thing, then it's going to drop, guys. So let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying. You are at the overbought area, guys. Should you enter now? No, my friend. The overbought area, also we're looking only for sell opportunities. Where is the price action, guys? You came here like that. You got a trend line, guys. If it's breaking here, you enter short, guys. Where is going to be the take profit? Here, down. Like how we tell it to you before. Here in that level, now you are in the place of taking profit, my friend. Now you're looking for short opportunity, my friend. Remember my word. Now you're looking for short opportunity, my friend. It might don't want to go back higher till here, till that last high here, but after that it's going to drop, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow after New York opening, guys. Bye for now, guys.